PCB and technology company is a professional PCB manufacturer and EMS supplier. These are the intellectual property software and invention patents of the company. This is our product display area, filled with our most proud PCB products. And these are just a part of it.
Our manufacturing experiences of beer boards are including aluminum PCB, FR4 PCB, FPC, rigid flex, HDI, heavy copper, longboard, SIM board, etc., which are widely used in telecommunication, automotive products, industrial control, consumer electronic, medical treatment, military products, etc. This is our high-speed mounter. The mounting speed per hour can reach 78,000 points. It can meet various high-efficiency and high-precision test objectives.
And we can provide the highest quality and the most competitive price.
Please contact us for a quote. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.